Definitely true to the name with the putty consistency, as you can see right there on my finger. So check that out. Hey everyone, Digital David here. Today in this video, I'm going to be checking out the Old Spice Putty. I did purchase this product myself, and any opinion expressed in this video is strictly my own. That being said, if you're interested in this product, you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in my video description below. You can see the nice packaging right here. Old Spice has multiple versions and variations of this product. In this case, we have the high hold matte finish putty with beeswax. So now let's go ahead, let's open it up. All right, so there we go. We have it opened up right here. Check it out. I'm gonna go ahead, we're gonna touch it a little bit so you guys can get a feel for how thick this is. Definitely true to the name with the putty consistency, as you can see right there on my finger. So check that out. You might also have noticed I haven't even done my hair yet. So guess what we're doing in this video? We're actually gonna try it out. So let's dab a little bit of it right here. Let's go ahead, let's work it into the palm of my hand. And now let's get our hair going. So you'll be able to see again, we got that high hold with this. And we shouldn't have any issues as we work it into our hair to get it exactly how we want it. So maybe we'll do that overhead cam. You can see my hair right there as we're working the putty in place. Just using the external studio monitor here to get a good feel for it, but you can see it's holding it up just fine. We'll do a smidge more just to tide it over. But that's typically just how I like to use it. So you can see it on my hair right there. Check that out. Everything's working great. Also want to mention too, it's got a nice smell to it. So I don't really know how to describe the scent to you guys. Besides, it just smells fresh, but not like too pungent that somebody's gonna know that you're, wearing something scented. They don't even advertise, a scent on here. So just know it just has a nice, clean and fresh smell to it as well. And the putty works great, as you can see here. But again, depending on what you're looking for, Old Spice has multiple versions and variations available. Well, that concludes our video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget the product link will be in our video description below. Please go ahead, check it out, and do your shopping from there. Any purchase made through that link helps support our channel at no additional cost to you. So we're really grateful and thankful for all of your support. While you're at it, can you go ahead and hit that like button for us? And subscribe to our channel. We have new content coming out daily, and we don't want you to miss anything. Please go ahead and give us a follow online and make it a clean sweep. Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Twitch, TikTok, Discord. You can message us on WeChat, check out our website, and join our free newsletter. Thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget new content daily, and we can't wait to see you in our next video.